Can I get, we'll just start in a sec. Can I get a brave volunteer, Natalie? Tell me what to do for the first line. Go ahead.
This is 2x squared, we're going to get it twice, but use the 3 to solve it first time.
Great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this the way I would. I'm just going to do one step at a time. I'm not going to deal with the rest of the question because there's way too much going on. All these things are connected by subtraction and adding, so it's not like you FOIL the entire row together. Can I get a second volunteer to just worry about the blue part here on the left? What do I do next? Luke, go.
6x minus 5, or no, minus 15.
Yeah.
And bracket 2x minus 5.
Very good. And can I get a third volunteer to go and tell me the answer here, please?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. 12x squared.
Yeah.
Minus 30x.
Yeah.
Minus 30x. Plus 35.
Great. And can I get a fourth volunteer to sweeten that up and move on to the middle? Oh goodness, nobody wants to. My
Oh, what?
Is-
Is it? Oh, wait. No, scratch
Go ahead.
that. Negative 4 squared minus 36x minus. What?
And it'd be 12x squared.
What part?
Just,
No, oh. 12x squared minus 75.
Oh goodness.
Negative 64, 75.
Oh, shit.
Okay, now hold on. For those who said remember that, I'm slowing down. I don't want you excited here. So what I just did there was I added together negative 30 and negative 30 is negative 60. Right? Okay. When's the only time that middle term cancels out?
When it's positive and minus.
Was a very good. It was a positive and negative. One's a plus, one's a minus. Remember, like difference of squares. We'll get to that later on today. Very good. Okay, can I get a second volunteer? So this is the blue part here. I'll do red. Will be the middle part, which is right here. Can I get a volunteer to give me the first step, please, on the red? Alistair, go ahead.
Negative 4 bracket plus 9.
Great. Okay, wonderful. Can I get a second volunteer, please? Natalie, give me the next step.
Negative 4 minus.
Yeah. I put the plus in there because, again, it's not connected by multiplying. So I'm going through here too quickly. If you're sitting at the back of the side, you're saying you're not going this quick, that's okay. All right, but there will be something awesome like this tomorrow. Yeah, my question or answer?
Oh, I'm just thinking.
Yeah, go ahead.
Negative 4x squared.
Yeah.
Like 6x.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, it wasn't x squared, it's just going to be x, right? Because x, you know what I mean? Because they're both, there's only one x there, right? So it's not like that. Okay, that looks great, but not yet wonderful. What's negative 36x minus 36x? I can't do that in my head. Yeah, tell me that.
Negative 72x.
Negative 72x. All right. Now, those are the two easy ones. I wanted to show those separate here. I'm going to slow down here and make sure this is good. The reason I did them separate was this is the basic kind. The blue is the fundamental one with a number and a squared. Okay, red's a little bit more difficult because we have a negative number and a squared. So when there's a negative number, the first one changes negative again, and then it FOIL from there. Before we get on to the 2 by 3, are we okay on first two? Please be brave and ask because your test is tomorrow. You have 24 hours. Good. Okay, on the right-hand side, can someone be brave and give me a first step? I'm going to snub you, Natalie, not because I don't like you as a person, but because you raise your hand every question, I want someone else to try. Alvin, the other two. Yeah, go ahead.
Solve the first bracket.
Go ahead.
6x subtract 3.
Good.
Yeah.
15. 15. Okay, oh, goodness gracious. Okay, I got two stories to tell you. I'm going to pause maybe right now before we go here. Sorry if you get distracted, but I got to pause here. Can someone now be brave for this? Now, I just want everyone to focus up. If you're not quite here yet, this is the part to pay attention, because tomorrow and on the assignment, there will be a 2 times a 3, like a binomial times a trinomial. Can someone please be brave and show me how to multiply a binomial by a trinomial, please? Maya, go.
Well, hey, no, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Can you just explain how you got that green line?
Yeah, so all I did was 3x times 2x is 6x, and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, and this is supposed to be the second hand bracket, was all that.
What do you mean binomial like
A binomial is two things. A trinomial is three things.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So you didn't like put the 3 into the second.
No, the 3 is not in the first one. That's it. Yeah.
Wait, you put like the 6x into 3x and 2x and a plus.
Very good. Excellent. So very good. So what we were told here, the 3x is going to hit all of these things, right? And right through the foil shark and all that stuff in the beginning. So this is 18x cubed
And x
minus 12x squared plus 6x. Now the reason, because someone explained to me why I changed to x cubed. It's reactive, right? X times x squared under exponent rules, and x times x squared is x cubed. Very good. On the right hand side, then after that, these are all going to be negative. So negative 15 times 3 is negative 45x squared plus 30x minus 15. And I think that's right. So then you're going to neaten it up if you can. I'm going to write it in descending power, so that's 18x cubed minus 12x squared minus 45x squared plus 6x plus 30x minus 15, which should be 18x cubed. I'm going to slow down here for those that are trying to catch up. Minus 57x squared plus 36x minus 15. I'll get out of the way here. Okay? Okay, now these are big steps. Now, if you're saying to yourself, I am a talented human being and I just want to work the entire row across, go ahead. But if you want to try and go from here to the entire part across, in one step, go ahead. For me, it's easier to chunk it and do each chunk separately. Okay? Please be brave and ask a question. I'm only question or answer. Question?
I didn't get that.
Okay.
I got the 18.
Good? Yes.
But I got 49x.
Oh. Did I make a mistake?
49.
Am I right there?
I got that.
Because I got 6 times negative 2 is negative 12, 15 times 3 is 45. I think that's right. I'm pretty sure mine is right. I think you might just multiply it wrong someplace, I think, or like switch to plus or minus or something.
So then now you just put your x's together, your cubes together.
Very good. All right, Caleb, do you want to be brave, please do that. Calculate terms for me. Go ahead.
So it'd be 8x cubed.
Yeah.
Plus 12x cubed or squared.
Yeah.
And then over here.
Yeah.
Minus 12x squared. Wait, did I say that? Wait, yeah, this is minus 12x.
Where's minus 12? I don't see
That's
it.
where you started, right?
That's plus 12.
Oh, is it? Oh, sorry, I thought that
You're
you
still-
counted minus. Minus 4x squared.
Yeah.
Minus 57x squared.
Yeah.
And then 56x squared.
Yeah, plus 36x. That's
Yeah,
okay.
and then, is that an x times 32 or something? I think I'm wrong.
Here, I'll do it. I'll help you. I know what you're trying to do here. Minus 60x, minus 72x, plus 75, minus 324, minus 15. Did I miss any? I think that's it. So what I did was I just collected like terms there, right? So x cubed went first, then all my x squareds went second, then all my x's went third, and all my numbers went at the end. Does someone with a giant calculator want to finish that off for me? No one has a giant calculator in this class. Yes.
Oh, is it me?
Yes.
Okay. It's negative 49x squared.
Yeah.
Whoa. Minus 360.
Minus 360.
Plus
Minus how much? Minus 260. All right. 18x cubed minus 49x squared minus 96x.
Yeah.
Someone can confirm that? Okay.
I got 360 again.
Okay. I think you forgot a minus one. Okay, everyone close your eyes for a sec. Who understood completely what just happened today? Raise your hand. Who sort of understood but made a little mistake or two along the way? Okay. Who didn't really understand at all? Okay. Who feels confident that when they get this on their quiz tomorrow they can do it? Okay, thank you. Okay. There will probably be one messy monster like this, okay? Because this hits. I like questions. Because the thing is, I like this because it hits the three things Can I talk, please? This hits the three things we did in this unit. The first part was a squared with just a positive, squared with a negative, and then a big monstrous thing at the end, okay? If you can handle this, you're a master of algebra, okay, right, for that. I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to talk about the sheet, and then we'll go there. Does anyone knock at one of those sheets? That's right.